All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to rearrange these artboards for PDF output, or maybe you received a PDF and they're out of order and you can't figure out why. I'm going to show you. So you click the Artboard tool here. You can hit it Shift O on your keyboard also, and you'll see that immediately we have a 01 and Artboard 1, 02 Artboard 2, 03 Artboard 3. Right? I can't zoom in on that; it doesn't really make it bigger. So if I just simply move one of these artboards, if you click up here, you can move the artwork with it. Same with scaling. So I'm going to do it that way. And I'm going to shift click this one. I'm going to put them back. Now you would think, and I'm going to switch the artwork. So see, this is the stuff that can happen when you're doing design. You're like, okay, I'm moving this around. I made some new pages, etc., etc. Now you would think that the covers, this is going to be the first page, second page, third, fourth, fifth, but it isn't. So I'm going to hit this artboard tool again. Now, this one I had here as cover, the first page is actually 2 because it was here. So it's named 2. This is 1. So this is going to be page 1 of your PDF. This is going to be page 2, even though it's behind it. So let's fix that. You just go to Window, Artboards. Now you see your artboards and the order of them. So artboard 2 is actually here, showing as the second page. So if I want this artboard 2 to be the first page, I simply just drag it up to the top. Now it's number 1, number 2, number 3. So I just fixed the order. So you have to fix the order here in the artboard palette. You don't do it by moving these around. I mean, you can move them around all you want, but that's how you do it. And you can name them here too if you want to keep track of stuff easier. I suggest doing that, intro. But yeah, so if I move this artboard, it's not, it's still artboard 2. It's still page 2. It didn't go anywhere. So you have to do this kind of stuff. Boom. Now it's page 1. Now it's back to page 2. So that is artboard arrangement in a nutshell. So hopefully that helps. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.